Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope you all had a great trading day yesterday. Let's review Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto, and then we'll review all the major indices, and then we'll review commodities. And if we have time, we'll review major FANG stocks. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the like. I would really appreciate that. All right, so crypto Bitcoin is finally going higher. Have a green dot here. Good news for the bulls. You can see green line crossing red line. Bitcoin is breaking out. This is it. This is it, guys. You need to buy right now. And you must listen to my short video I posted. And if you did not listen, you can see here if you're watching. This is your lucky day because Bitcoin is breaking out. And I hope you saw this video and you can see 1 hour candle breakout here. Try to backtest, but Bitcoin is very strong. It could have come all the way down, but it's going higher. So this is a breakout, guys. Breakout officially happened, and this is a buy signal on crypto. You should be looking to buy all the crypto miners. There are some good ones. One of my favorite one is MicroStrategy, MSTR. There's a gap here around 146 at minimum. This is like a really good proxy to Bitcoin from where it closed yesterday. At least it will go fulfill that gap at 18%, and then all-time high is almost 60% away. So you have to make a choice, and this is green, green, green for crypto. Just one thing, it's in front of some resistance right now, but I think it's going to clear that. And you can see it's in front of multiple resistance. This is around 5960K, let's say. It's going to be a very explosive candle. I'm thinking it's going to be a very explosive candle, and that's going to close all above these resistance, and it's going to be a breakout. From here, Bitcoin should be marching towards this next resistance, which is going to be here around 68, 69K. So almost from where we are right now, even if you buy as I'm talking, you can easily get around 19% returns. All right, so this is it, guys. This is the time you should be looking to buy. This is a buy signal also here, an arrow. This is a AI indicator also giving a buy here as well. And if I look at BTC futures, you can see there's a gap here which is around 62K. 100% this will be filled. At minimum we're looking for this gap fill from here around 7% away. All right, and let's go to Ethereum from now. Ethereum is little weaker, 7 counts buy signal. If Bitcoin breaks out, Ethereum is gonna go fill all these gaps, guys. All these yellow lines are the gaps for Ethereum to fill. From here, first gap is around 9% away, second gap is around 28%, and third gap is around 68% away. To fill last gap, Bitcoin needs to make a new high, but I'm looking for these two at least around 3,000, a massive pump to fill this major gap down on Ethereum. All right, and also even on Ethereum live market, you can see green line is crossing red line, so Ethereum is also looking good. I also got a green buy dot here on RSI, so things are looking good for Ethereum as well. Hopefully this will be very helpful and you're enjoying. If you're a Bitcoin bull, this is the time to be. Please hit the like button, guys, if you're going out. I'll really appreciate that. All right, so now I'm going to move to traditional market SPX cycle chart. You can see here looking for a rally, and what a breakout we got yesterday. Unbelievable candle. You can see it was a fake out move. We tried to break down, but this hourly low held. If I go to 1 hour, you can see this low was held. Actually, this low was held even. So you can see we had a slightly higher low and then break out massive, massive. This is like a classic pattern here on SPX. You can see one, two, and then higher low, and then breakout. All right. So we are above this previous high, and it was a nice hourly kind of just gone straight up. All right, which is a very, very good news. So it's working fine. Cycle analysis is working fine as my prediction. So you can see here we were in this declining phase, ran bottom couple of days early, and all this consolidation and price action 1 day candle like this 4 days is all recovered mostly by 1 day. All right, and now from here we're looking for new high. First gap around 5617, second gap around 5664, and my year-end target from here towards the end of the year is at least 5900. So from where we are to 5900, looking for around 6.5% pump from here. All right, so it's not going to be straight, but at least we are in this rising phase. So rising phase is from here until end of September, looking for higher prices in this rising phase. All right. And on SPI, same thing. And on SPY, looking for this gap fill here. Triple Qs, Nasdaq, same thing. You can see it's in front of, it's on this support 200 EMA SMA, trying to break out of these resistances here. Let's see if it can break out. And on triple Qs, it filled a couple of gaps. Again, made a higher low and now going higher. Next gap is here around 474. I think it's going to fill 100%. And then next target is either 495. So from where we are right now on Nasdaq, first gap is 1% away, second gap is 5.64% away. Let me quickly show you levels for my subscribers, or as you can see MES, nice bottom yesterday. You can see nice bottom and then bounce. All right, this indicator predicts it perfectly. Buy zone and then nice bounce from the buy zone here. All right, same thing on Nasdaq, came to the buy zone, nice bounce from the buy zone. You can see here almost 4% bounce. Dow Jones, Russell 2000 and Dow Jones, you can see nice bounce, 2.3% from the buy zone, and Russell also from the buy zone, nice bounce around 3%. If you want to know more about this indicator, you know what to do. Click the join button in the description of this video, subscribe, let me know your user ID in the comment of this description so I can add you to members only Discord group, all right? Where I do share all the trades I'm taking, buy and sell zones of all your favorite stocks, and any other questions you have, you can reach me, ask me directly. So please subscribe. There's a subscribe button. I really appreciate that. The fees is so low, one trade can make you for the entire year of subscription. Okay, just one trade looking at this indicator would have made you tons of money. All right, so here you go. Let's go back to our Dow Jones now. US 30, again, it's in the sell zone right now, and nice buy here, DIA ETF. You can see there were some gaps. I deleted it. See, there was this massive gap which was not filled. One day candle, it had to come to fill this gap and then done, bounce. Same thing on IWM. There was a nice gap here. They filled it. Still, this gap is not fully filled, but that doesn't matter. It's very minor gap going higher from here. And Russell 2000. Also, you can see touch 200 EMA and SMA. This is best time to buy. 7 counts buy signal yesterday. Looking for higher prices on Russell as well. And let's go and look at commodities. If you guys have any particular stocks, um, you can message me on Discord and I will give you levels there. I will just gonna share high level S&P 500, NASDAQ, all the major indices and commodities from now onwards. Gold is in the buy sell zone right now, making new highs, but again divergences. This is the area you want to sell. Silver, I don't want to be buying any of these here. Silver is breaking out finally, but again, it's in the sell zone. Copper is again in the sell zone. Crude oil, finally, crude oil is showing some strength. 9 counts buy signal yesterday. It could come all the way down, sorry, all the way up crude oil from here. If you draw a resistance box, it could come all the way up here, all right? So it could come from here to all the way up here, 7% pump, and this is going to be next resistance. Natural gas is, this gap is filled, so we can delete this. Above all moving averages, looking very nice. Prices above all moving averages trying to go higher. Palladium is also nice breakout of this trend line. You can see 200 EMA and SMA breaking out finally. Soybeans is also in front of resistance. Looks like bottom is in. 7 counts buy signal here. Finally, there's a gap here around 1000. So it's going to probably go break that gap. Sugar is some gaps down, but that's okay. Right now in front of this 10 moving average. So once it breaks out, then next resistance is here around 20 bucks. Wheat is also looking very bullish. Finally, bottom is in with divergences. So now this resistance is to break 572, and then after this, the next one gonna be in 600, 700s. Corn also looking bullish above all moving averages. I think all the commodities are anticipating price reduce. I mean, sorry, interest rate reduce, so it's pumping. Dollar is in the support area, so you can see nice support. This support is holding since 2023. If I extend it, you can see here also support here around May. So right now in the support area, this thing will be resistance. So we can change it a little bit here. So here you go. This support needs to hold. If Fed cuts rate, then this could break. And then VIX finally yesterday had a massive dump, and I'm thinking it's gonna keep going lower. VIX is gonna keep going lower to below 13 and 12 in my opinion. Let's see if there are any gaps which could give us a clue when it was going higher. You can see this massive gap here. This is it, guys. This is it. This is the clue. You can see this massive gap here. So it's going to come and crash down to 15 at minimum, and then I will see if there are any other gaps apart from that. There could be more gaps which I did not check, but at minimum it's going below 15. And then I will check. Oh yeah, here also there's a gap here. Oh no, this gap was filled. So yeah, at minimum we're coming back out down to 15. So VIX put could be great. Looking for 15% downwards move from here. All right, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. And hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you later. Bye.